So how to use Step Up app? So here's the app. It's called Step Up. It's one of the most popular pedometers apps right now. So here it is. It's really cool. It has a really amazing social element. So and also this app is free to use. Simple, elegant, free step tracker. Step Up makes step tracking fun and social. Count steps, compete with friends, and be more active together. Walk more, lose weight, get fit, and feel great. Track your activity, automatically track steps, distance covered, floors climbed, and calories burned every day. Compete with friends, stay motivated with some healthy competition with family, friends, and colleagues. See who is in the lead, cheer or taunt each other, and compete in real time. Connect and compete with friends, family, and colleagues on any smartphone or supported wearable. Great for social step challenges and group walking competitions at home, school, or work. Achieve your goals. So set goals, walk more, save battery. Also, this app syncs with Apple Health. So it syncs from wearables like Apple Watch, Garmin, Withings, Misfit, Pebble, MoveSpring, Stride Key, Google Fit, Samsung Health that work with Apple Health. And then yeah, you can just get started right away. So yeah, pretty cool app. I will show you how to use it. And there are some things you need to know because there are some small bugs. So I will show you how to overcome those. So here is the app. Here is how it looks like. Basically, you just get started super easy. You can sign out or delete an account and then sign in. Sign in with Apple or just create your account. Super easy, and then you just have your account. And what happens next? Basically, this app connects with your Apple Health, or I forgot, maybe you need to give permission, and then it just counts your steps. So pretty cool. And then there are so many apps which do that, but this app is like very simple to use, very minimalistic. You have amazing analytics here, and then the thing is you just added your daily step goal. So you just set it up. Okay, I want to walk like 5,000 steps or 10,000 steps per day. You just set up this goal, and then you just see all your analytics, like what was your best day, what's your best week's best goal streak this week. Like you can see the stats, the data, and then if it's in the blue, it means you didn't achieve your goal. If it's in the green, it means you achieved your goal. So that's what it is. And then you just have that, and then you just have the list here of that's another cool feature. There is like ActiveBot, which is just like a bot, which ActiveBot is a virtual friend who walks healthy 10,000 steps a day. So you need to try keep the pace with this bot. And if you, here is just a leaderboard, if you overcome this bot, then you're in a good place. Then there is a ChillBot. So ChillBot is just like, a bot who walks on average like 2,000 steps per day. And that's like just a minimum which you need to walk. So you need to be, ideally you need to be above ActiveBot, but at least if you're above ChillBot, you just use doing like just a minimum to walk. So these are some cool features. And then the coolest feature of this app is that you just invite your friends to this app, and then you can see if your friends are walking enough. So you just send them this message. And then this is what I was talking about. Like, it's really important that you like invite your friends this way. So imagine, so you send this link to your friends. If your friends just click on that invitation link, there is a bug in this app, it's not gonna work. So what your friends need to do is they need to tap in top right, tap add friends, and then just tap in top right, and then enter link to join group or add friend, and then pass this link here. So this way it works. This way you add in friends. If you try to do it another way, it's not gonna work. So just remember that, because this app at the moment has a little glitch, and this is the only way to add friends on the app. So that's that. And then the another thing is that you can just go and create new groups. So you can just name it, give it a name, and then just invite people to the group. and then you can see all the stats and analytics for this specific group and add friends specifically to that group. So yeah. And then in the top, you just have tabs where you see all your stats per day, per week, average steps per week, and per month. So that's the idea. In top right, there is like a gear icon. You can see your calories tracker. You can just add all your data here for it to be more precise. Daily step goal, distance units, miles or kilometers, sync with wearable. You can just connect with Apple Health. And then invite friends. Then you can hide some friends if you wanna. Manage groups, create new group, leave group, delete a group, rename group, and then sign out or delete your account. So that's what it is. That's the app. And the coolest part, this is a free app. It's very nicely done, super easy to use, and yeah, amazing app. And also, of course, you can just support the developers and buy them a coffee. So that's what it is. Highly recommended for you to try it out. Well, yeah, I don't know if this app is actually available on Android, so let's just try it out. So, for example, if I have this, yep, so it's available on Android. So, yep, that's super nice. You can find it out on Android as well. So, if you have friends who use an Android device, then definitely they should download it there. But yeah, you can compete with your friends. Doesn't matter which phone they're using. So yeah, quite nice app.